Hello my friends, I want to share how to have a power backup for your router. So this is Huawei model B315S. So this is 12 volts 1 ampere, but 9 volts also works. So using our power bank, so this is our power bank. This is made of DIY battery 18650. So this is battery is from old laptop, and then we need to have this one, a converter, DC to DC converter, 9 volts. So what will happen is this power bank have a 5 volts, and then we convert to 9 volts to make this one working. So this is the female DC plug. So we need to do is just plug this one over here. Okay, so we got 77 and plug on that one. Okay, so we got power now. So this is very useful if you like be a programmer, an online or remote programmer. So for me this is very important because in my area it always have a power failure or brownout. So this is very powerful and useful. So this battery, if this full charge, so it will take 7 to 8 hours. So inside of this power bank we have 8 of this one. So as you can see, I have 1, 2 and 3 power bank. So this power bank lasts I think 24 hours because 12 volts, a converter, this is another converter. So because this one consumes only 500 milliamps. So this one I'm planning to convert this also. So that's all I will share. Maybe for my next video how to create or make a DIY power bank. So I buy this on Lazada, I think 200 pesos. So in dollars it will be $4. So this one is from old laptop, so we can reuse or you can buy on any online store. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.